first question goes, Shalom Kulav. Is it okay that during the week I cut the food in very little pieces, so during Shabbos I can cut them in a normal size? Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Okay, so if that's how a person would remember, that's no problem. There's no prohibition whatsoever to cut any pieces, whatever you want during the week. But I would, so as I always suggest others, and that's how I live. It's I try to simplify things, meaning I do exactly the same things during the Shabbos and during the weekday. Whatever is allowed to Shabbos, I do on a weekday. So I would not cut, me personally, I would not cut it in small pieces. First of all, it takes time, and who has a patience for that and stuff like that. So I think it's easier to remember if you always follow the same way. So which is allowed on Shabbos, on Yom Tov, and of course on a weekday.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.